Cessna 12 Echo, passing mark turbulence for citation depart in the parallel.
Oh, thank you, Roger, 12 Echo.
Cessna 12 Juliet, runway 14 right, cleared to land. Passing mark turbulence for citation departing prior to rest.
500.
Boeing Tower 12 Echo, I'm gonna stop and taxi car.
12 Echo, again, you said you want to make this full stop?
Yes, this jet here, I don't trust.
This 12 Echo, no problem, runway 14 left, cleared to land.
Thank you, wake turbulence avoidance, that's why, thank you.
No problem.
Good decision making.
And the cable.
Yeah. Could be a seatbelt too. Usually it's a seatbelt flapping outside.
No. 65. Yes, this is probably could have been some
Turbulence.
Contact 3 Tango Juliet, contact failed departure, stay flight. Sorry, uniform Sierra, traffic ahead and right, 1.5 miles is the Cessna, making a straight in for the parallel now. Number 12 Echo, you can turn left third Alpha 4, then contact ground point 9er.
Contact ground point 9 or Alpha 4, 12 Echo, thank you.
Boeing Tower, Skyline 7303 Yankee has X-ray over Green Lake for Green Lake arrival, west side parking.
7303 Yankee, Boeing Tower, roger, fly the Green Lake arrival, and understand you're looking to the right.